Hello, it's a glorious sunny afternoon here in the UK. Perfect conditions to do a potato reveal. Let's have a look at what we're going to dig up. 10 Mayan Rose seed potatoes were bought back in March. Main crop seed potato, as it says there at the bottom of this packet. I've never grown these before, so I'm really interested to see how they turn out. I think I planted 2 or 3 seed potatoes in this particular pot. As you can see, a lot of the tops have died back, so let's cut them off now while I'm here. Get through these with the old here we go, cut through these. There we go. There we go. Right. Let's tip this bad boy up and see what we get. Right. Here we go. Can you see that? Let me try and... let's just dig in. Well, nothing at the moment. Wow, one baby one. It's not looking good. Here we go. There we go. Finally. Look at the colourings on these guys. Kind of purple. Yeah, yellow mix. Anyway, let's carry on. Well, there you have it. That is a pretty good return on a couple of seed potatoes, Mayan Rose. Not the biggest of potatoes, considering they're a main crop variety, but a very interesting potato to look at, as you can tell. Okay, what I have discovered from this particular harvest is I've gotten loads of tiny potatoes that I could probably, I don't know, plant out next year and see if I can get another decent crop from these guys. Loads of tiny ones, underdeveloped ones that maybe I should have let grow on a bit longer, but I'm happy with this amount. Fantastic looking potatoes, really good looking potatoes. All that remains now is for me to cook them up and see what they taste like. If they taste as good as they look, then thumbs up from me. Anyway, that's it for this particular potato harvest reveal. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's the first time I've ever grown this particular variety, this Mayan Rose main crop seed potato. Apparently they're good for salads, good for boiling, and good for roasting. Anyway, if you've ever grown these before, do let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. And until the next video, bye for now.